Hey everyone, long time no see. So I want to do a look with the Marilyn Monroe collection. I think this is adorable. These are about $10 each. As far as I know, there's, I don't know, maybe 12 pieces is a collection maybe. I know I didn't get the mascara. There was no picture of her on the mascaras. There was a regular black mascara. So they had a regular line, black and clear mascara, no picture of her on it, like the rest of these, which I think is really nice. Nothing had the names on it except the blush and the two highlighters. This is not from their regular line. Even if it was, the fact that it had a picture on it would be worth it. Definitely going to start out with the shimmer color, which is this one right here. I think I'm going to go in with this medium brown color right here. And go in with the that frosty white color right there. I barely left any room there. Okay. I'm going to use this Anastasia right here. And these, like the eyeshadow, I don't know about the blush and highlighter, but the eyeshadow seems like colors she would wear. I didn't even know. But this has two. It's weird. It has both sides. Okay. Doing the white and the waterline. This is waterproof, by the way. I had a hard time getting it off my hand. And instead of black, this is brown. I'm going to use the little brush it comes with. I'm going to use the champagne highlighter. I'm going to do it with my eyes closed because one of the bristles is extra long and I don't want it to poke me in my eye. But I'm just putting that in the corner. And then going in a little bit more, just to give it more definition. That's that dark brown color. It comes with this brush and doesn't say Marilyn on it, but it's really pretty. It's like a clear iridescent color. Where the prices are, it says brush and curler, but this came with a regular line white powder. I'm gonna use the blush. Didn't really pick up evenly, but and I'm gonna use the rosy pink color highlighter. Put that here. And the translucent powder is a luminous one, so it is frosty. So I'm going to dip. Oh boy. I'm just gonna do one side of my face because I haven't finished this side, so oh yeah, that is luminous. So I'm gonna finish my makeup and I will be back to put on the lipstick. Hey everyone, so I put the lipstick on off camera because my husband had gotten a phone call. So I thought I was gonna do the whole thing. Again, nothing has names except for the blushes and two highlighters. This comes with a pretty gold, like gel type lipstick that's supposed to leave a shimmer, but I really don't want to use that. I want to use the lip gloss. So it comes with the eyeliner, comes with the red lipstick. So everything, I like Marilyn Monroe, but I never followed her. Like, so I don't really know everything. But the eyeshadow and the lipsticks definitely look like colors that she wore. So anyway, just wanted to, this is the finished look. It comes with these little powder puffs, which I think are cute. It's got the red bow, red and white. It kind of reminds me of, like, again, colors she would wear. But not something I would use unless it's like to powder my underarms or something. I wouldn't use this on my face.